Hello everybody. Paano ba gumawa ng engineer's report para sa ating air pollution source installation? At syempre itong engineer's report na ipapasa sa ating application for permit to operate. Kadalasan ng mga responsible officers sa pag-secure ng permit to operate nagtatanong paano ba ang engineer's report sa ating mga air pollution source installation gaya ng generator sets. Siyempre, wala mang prescribed outline, pero meron tayong mga basic information na ibinibigay. At dito sa ating discussion, I hope makatulong po ito at maging guide ninyo somehow. Again, wala naman ditong prescribed outline at makapagbigay lang tayo ng guide sa bawat isa. So I hope this will be helpful when you prepare your engineer's report. Sino nga ba ang uh, gagawa ng engineer's report? Ang gumagawa ng engineer's report ay ang pollution control officer. At papaano gagawin ito? Tayo nang gawin ito ngayon. Pag-usapan din natin. Well, sa unang pagkakataon, we need to provide the project proponent, and that is the name of the establishment or name of company. So for example, we have ABC Company Inc. At halimbawa yung location of installation of air pollution source installation like genset. So, halimbawa, MP Casa Nova Street, Barangay Banay-Banay, San Jose, Batangas. Sample lang po ito. We have also the description, the suggestion na pinapakita ko sa inyo like the name of the establishment represented by kung sino po ang may-ari or the highest executive officer like president, general manager, kung sino man po. And kung kailan nagsimula ang operation at kung may empleyado or occupants, ilan, at yung operating hours of the establishment in hours per day at in days per week. So, madali lang siya. Okay. So, halimbawa, the ABC Poultry Farm represented by Jeric Picasso, General Manager. Yeah. It started its operation on 2024 and currently with 10 employees. The operating hours of the establishment is 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Ganun lang. Siyempre, bigay din natin kung anong type of establishment, like this establishment is a commercial, institutional, industrial, or say agricultural. With PSIC code number, pwede nyo buksan yung table 8 ng DAO 2016-08 para malaman nyo yung PSIC code. So halimbawa, itong poultry farm which is livestock animal production 014. Again, you can refer to table 8 DAO 2016-08. Then we have also the sa operation. You can discuss the activities, operations, or processes involved. Halimbawa, the process of the company is collecting plastics and turning them into eco-lumbers. Well, itong example ko sa itaas ay iba sa binibigay natin example dito sa baba. Same, you need to discuss the activities, operations, or process involved. The plastics are shredded, mixed, and extruded. The shredder, conveyors, and extruder are powered by a 132 kilowatts generator set, while the mixer is directly connected to the power. So napansin nyo na merong activities, merong operation, and processes involved. Part din dito sa Engineers Report, sa part 1, yung pong location of installation. Mas maganda kung merong site development plan or vicinity map. Pwede rin yung Google Map, eh, pin lang kung nasaan yung location. And then yung ating floor plan or sa site development plan, saan located yung ating tinutukoy na air pollution source installation, halimbawa generator set. So guide lang to ha. So part 1, the project proponent, which also includes the description, project description, operation, location of installation. And then we have in part 2 the list of air pollution source installation na ina-apply natin ng permit to operate. We can follow the suggestion, the quantity, the size, the brand name of equipment, whether fuel burning or non-fuel burning equipment at yung other specifications. For example, one unit 132 kilowatts Cummins diesel generator model C1345 three-phase 1,800 RPM. Siguro pwede ka pa magdagdag ng dimensions, etc. No? And then part pa rin dito sa air pollution source installation kung paano yung operation nitong generator set. We can discuss that, the connections, the procedures. So, siyempre, titingnan mo yung brochure or manual. Um, we have also the construction details. Well, engineering report, usually papakita mo talaga yung drawing. Meron kang plan, layout. Kapag multiple yung equipment, dapat may machinery layout, no? Pero kung nag-iisa lang yung equipment, ba't pa naman gagawa ng machinery layout? Kasi paano mo pa i-layout, eh mag-isa na lang yon. Pwede ng drawing nung mismong equipment, mismong air pollution source installation. And you should discuss the construction details. Halimbawa, statement natin, the generator set is housed properly in the power room with properly engineered connections. Okay? They shall be properly maintained and serviced to ensure the optimum operating efficiency is attained. Each foundation is designed in such a way that it will be able to absorb the vibrations caused by operation. Standard-based silencer and exhaust piping system were mounted based on site condition and environmental sensitivity. So, ganun lang. Maganda maglagay dito ng drawing plans. Maganda kasi pagka meron drawing plans, nakaka-visualize sa ating mga evaluator kung ano bang klaseng equipment yan. Although, another set of requirement yun, pinapakita mo yung vicinity map, plant and machinery layout, plant and elevation drawing, sectional drawing, kung merong air pollution control facility. Pero pagka generator set, halos wala naman. Anyway, the construction details, pati yung drawings, na pinakita natin kanina. Lalagay mo yan dyan. And isa sa laging tinitingnan sa ingest report, syempre concern yung emissions, the applicable type of air pollutants, the concentration of emissions, quantities of emissions. Syempre, source specific. Kaya ginagamit natin itong particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, sulfur oxide, carbon